here it is, we're getting ready for summertime. It's a nice breezy day. We're looking to get out on our patios. And we're out here with Terry out at Al's Garden and Home, and we're looking to be outside, and you have this great selection of garden patio. Where do we begin?
Well, it's what a lot of questions that come up from customers who come in the store. They aren't real sure where to begin, and really it's asking themselves the question about how they're going to spend their time on the patio.
Right.
Do I like to dine? Do I want to have my morning coffee? Do I want to have a fire pit in the evening? That really helps us really narrow down what that customer should look for.
You kind of need to understand your space and what you're going to be doing with it, right?
Exactly. And then the next question is, what is their style? What is their color scheme? What really makes them happy in going into their patio? So that's the next question.
Right, because you have this, great selection out here. You have seating areas. There's fire pits. There's tables and round and square. It's like what do you look for when you're starting to pick out furniture?
Right, and I think that's where we help them narrow it down. Some people prefer more of a modern look. Some people prefer something that's not super traditional. That used to be the very popular items, was the traditional ones, but now we're going through a transition where it's more modern, and some of them don't want that really straight lines because they're still looking for comfort. Comfort is really important, and this year we're seeing a lot more comfort coming in the modern styles. So more modern styles, but comfort.
Okay.
The other thing that customers are really trying to determine is, how can I make my patio look unique? I want to look different than the neighbor down the street.
Right.
So we try and help them mix and match different materials and different styles so that they can be unique.
Right, because there's a lot of choices out on the market of places to go, and different qualities too. I mean, you look around, you can spend a few extra dollars for some really nice furniture. So and when you start looking at some of these people, and items, you can sometimes get sticker shock, but it's one of those that you kind of are getting what you pay for, depending on how long you want this to last, right?
Right, exactly. What is the lifespan expectancy of this furniture for that customer?
Right.
That's what they have to ask themselves, and that's where the value comes in. So, some of the things that assure the customer and build confidence in the customer is showing them the welding of the furniture, showing them the warranty of the furniture. It sort of builds confidence in them in it has more quality and has more value to them.
Right. Well, it's definitely worthwhile traits and features, because if you're making an investment like this, you want it to last.
Sure.
And I'm sure there's some things that you need to do for some care to take care of this, to make this investment last.
Right.
And what kind of things would we want to be doing, to protect our investment?
Right. Well, I always recommend covers for the furniture as we go into the winter season. I never recommend they keep their pillows inside, but this year we have some great storage units that they can put their cushions in to help with the storage of those items. But the frames themselves, I do recommend, if they can't take them in over the winter, that they buy some patio furniture covers. Okay,
and these are all suggestions, things you can help them with when they come in. So if they're looking, you'll help design their patios. They come to bring in pictures of what they're looking for on their patio to get an idea.
They do, and it helps us really guide them in the right direction, because a picture helps us see what is the scale of the space, how many pieces of furniture will actually fit on their patio, and so it is really helpful when they show pictures. But it's even more important that they measure before they come.
Right.
Yeah.
So it sounds like they can come in with their thoughts, their ideas. You can sit down with them.
Right.
You have a great selection in here that you can kind of tailor and put together whatever patio set that's going to work best for them, and that's where your expertise definitely comes into play. So.
Right. Yeah, and their color really plays a big part as well. Right. A lot of our customers have a certain color that makes them happy, that they have all over the inside of the house, and we recommend that they bring the inside out and share some of the same color schemes so that they have a common theme. And it's colors that really works
which
for
is
them.
Great. With all those different tricks and ideas, it's great that they can come in here and get the expertise from guys here at Al's, and I'm assuming you can go onto your website or you can go to gardentime.tv and check it out, and we'll click you over. So
right.
appreciate you having us out and tell us about your patio furniture.
Absolutely. Yep.
You.